All right, here's another find from Angel on the Go. This is another first. This is Copper Chef, and this is the perfect egg maker. I don't eat eggs, but this is for my husband, or I know he's gonna sell it, right?
I would love to have one, but I don't want to sell it.
I'll give yourself something. All right, so it says here, perfect hard-boiled eggs. You can make, oh look, you can make omelets, Manny. You should keep one. You got two. Yeah, I don't know what a poached egg is because I don't eat eggs, but it says the fast and easy way to make healthy and delicious high-protein eggs. Look at that. It makes up to 14 eggs at a time. And again, you guys, as we said in a prior video, a lot of as seen on TV items are going on clearance. So that's the first on Angel on the Go. If you guys see as seen on TV, scan, scan, scan.
That's a double hit because not only is that as seen on TV, that's Copper Chef.
Yeah, Copper Chef.
That's a double hit, and that's a mover.
A mover, you guys. So another hint on Angel on the Go, Copper Chef, as seen on TV. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you. Oh, look at that! I might gotta start eating some eggs. That looks good.
I took one down.
All right, you took one down. All right, so he's gonna keep one, you guys. Finally, this is the first on Angel on the Go. Manny's gonna keep something.
I like eggs.
He loves eggs. All right, so this is what it looks like. And this is what the machine looks like. We're gonna go ahead and show you the UPC. There's the UPC. And my husband's gonna go ahead and scan. You guys are not gonna believe this in-store price. Look at that. Boom. $5.50. You guys cannot beat that. And it cooks up to 14 eggs at a time.
That's crazy.
14 eggs, you guys. Look at that. $5.50.
All right, so this is the crazy thing about an item like this, right? Walmart's clearancing this, so it's about to go away. If you try to buy it online, and I take a look at the online price, $13.99. Once that goes away, you only have other people selling it. Look at that.
Okay, so people are selling this $5.50 item online for $59. Some people are selling it for $45, $79. I think you need to take both of them now and sell it. You're not keeping one, like you tell me all the time. Comment below if you think Manny should sell both. All right, so we changed our mind. We're selling two of these. Good luck, you guys. All right, up next we have the Remington, and this is the ceramic curling iron. Look at this, you guys. What's good about this is that it heats up to 400. It has 30 heat settings, and it has a 30-second heat up. It has the cord and an auto shut off. Look at that color, you guys. This will make a great Christmas gift for somebody. Let's see. Here's the back. I would buy this, but I don't use curling irons. I actually use flat irons on my hair, so I'm gonna actually leave this, but I wanted to show you guys what clearance items we are finding. So just in case you come to this Walmart or another one, you guys can grab this because I'm gonna leave it. Look at that. Boom. It went from $19.84 down to $10, so it's 50% off. And that's a great item for only $10. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the UPC. And again, this will make a great Christmas gift. All right, you guys, here's another egg product that we found. So I don't know what this really is, but it says Ease eggs.
It's a shaker.
Is it?
After you cook the egg, you put them in here and you shake, and it takes the shell off for you, so you can just eat it.
Oh, okay. So you guys put the eggs, the boiled eggs in here. So 3 eggs is under 10 seconds. So you shake it and then you peel it?
It peels it.
Oh, it peels it for you?
Up to 3 eggs in 10 seconds.
Yeah, right.
That's what I say, but I mean, it's as seen on TV, so it gotta
be
accurate.
Again, you guys, it's as seen on TV. All right, so it says here, it removes shells from hard-boiled eggs. So it does remove it. How does that do it?
Magic.
Oh, we definitely getting this. So you can get this one instead of the other one.
That's to cook it, and that's to just take the shell.
All right, so with this little machine, you guys can make Cobb salad. I have no clue what this is. Deviled eggs, egg salad. I don't eat none of that. But in case you guys do, this is a great item right here at a great price. I'm going to show you. Oh, here it is right here. So dishwasher safe, easy storage, stores up to 6 peeled eggs, and BPA free. So it looks like you boil the eggs, you cool them off, drain them, and you just shake them, and they peel off by itself. I'm going to show you. Here's the UPC. And look at this, you guys. It went from $9.88 down to $3.60. $3.60. You guys cannot beat that price. And again, another as seen on TV. All right, I am so mad, you guys. I found this yesterday. No. Yeah.
I found it.
No, I found this yesterday.
I don't think so.
Yes, I brought it to you, and you were like, Anyway, get out of here. I found this yesterday, you guys, at the other Walmart, and it was actually $10.85. And we bought one, so I'm glad I didn't buy them all. But even at $10.85 was a good price. This, again, is the Magic Mesh hands-free screen door for your garage. And again, we live in Florida, so this will be perfect for a 2-car garage. When we're listing, we got boxes outside. The number one thing is keep the bugs out. I hate bugs, so it keeps it out. It's 8 and 9 foot. It fits single garage doors, so I'm not sure if it fits a double one, but we'll see.
Well, we got 2. So.
Oh, we got 2. All right, so this one has the easy to install, no tools required, and it's made with heavy duty mesh and weighted bottom. And this is great for pets. All right, so I'm gonna turn it to the back. Look at this, you guys. So we actually have one that we bought yesterday at 10 something. This one's even cheaper than 10, so I'm mad. But now we now got 2, and we can use these for our double garage. All right, let me show you the UPC. Look at that. Turn your garage into a living space. So when I get mad at you, you can go in the garage.
You don't even
and
believe that
yourself.
yourself.
I can put a couch out there.
You don't even believe that yourself.
Look at that. That's nice. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the UPC. There you guys go. And my husband's going to go ahead and scan. All right, you got it? Look at this, you guys. It's only $5.90. Now, again, yesterday we found this at $10.85. And here, it's $5.90. So this is why we tell you all stores may vary. It applies for us too, you guys, on Angel on the Go. Sometimes we go to one Walmart, it's one price. We go to another one, it's double. We go to another one, it's triple.
And now it's 30, so it was 75% off at the other store. And now it's another 50% off with the 75% off.
Okay. So the normal price on this
$30
is $29.99. Okay, and it's down to $5.90. So let us know if you guys score. All right, we found another item. This is a screen caddy, and I have no clue really what this is, but it looks like it's a screen top shelf, and it's a space saver. So it says you can organize your office supplies, media devices, speakers, remotes, photo frames, and more. So you guys can put it on top of your computer monitors or even your TVs to save space. This is a great item, and yet again, you guys, as seen on TV, that's what it looks like. And it says easy to install. All right, so yeah, this one is on top of a flat screen. As you guys can see, they have like the box there, the remote, a controller. Look at that. That's on top of the computer.
You know, that's good for like a lot of times with the flat screen TVs. You don't want to have like a hard wooden shelf there, or sometimes your wall doesn't have the beam exactly where the TV is, so you can't line it up right. So this just hooks on right to the TV or something, and you can line it up.
Yeah, it hooks right onto the TV. So if you guys need something like that, run to Walmart. We actually found these in the clearance aisle. Everybody was passing it up. So here's the UPC. And we're going to go ahead and scan it for you. You guys are not going to believe this price. Again, this is what it looks like. All right, my husband's scanning. Look at that. Boom. $2.95 for a screen caddy. You cannot beat this price, you guys. Only on Angel on the Go. Let us know below again if you guys score. We picked up about 3 of these and we left a few. But I love this. I might just use these for our team. We're always losing our remotes. So this is the perfect device to just put your remote when you're not using it, or when the kids are playing video games. They can leave their remotes on here. All right, I'm not too sure exactly what this is, but this is No More Stinky Bags. It has a stinky skunk on it, and it says 1 pack lasts 90 days. So it's 4 activated charcoal packs.
That's for the kids, and like if you go to the gym and you have a gym bag and all your funky clothes is in there.
Oh.
It keeps it from stinking.
All right, so you can put this in your, okay, so it says great for lunch bags, gym bags, backpacks, and sports bags. Yeah, this is great, especially if you have kids playing sports. So let me see. There you guys go. And I'm going to show you the UPC. This will be good in your, in one of your shoes, because your shoes stink.
No, it don't.
Yes, it does.
You're out of your mind.
These shoes right here, you guys. Let me get closer.
You're out of your mind.
They stink when your feet stink.
Oh, they don't.
I'm gonna get about 10 of these things for you. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and scan it. All right, you ready? All right, so we're scanning. Look at that. Wait, it's blurry. Come on, camera. I got a brand new iPhone. This should be crispy screen. This should be a clear screen. It's still blurry. Is it blurry?
Yeah, well,
a little bit. Good. All right, you guys. It's only $1.50. Sorry if it's blurry. It's $1.50. So I'm definitely gonna grab a few of these for my husband's shoes because they stink.
No,
they stink really bad. You guys, if I have them take off these shoes right now, you guys will probably pass out. So if you guys have husbands with stinky feet or kids that play sports, this is the perfect gift or the perfect item to buy at only $1.50.